welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about 3 game changer drugstore products that you need in your makeup bag. I mean, girl, you need to go purchase these when I'm done with this video because you're gonna need them. Let's go. Now, every time people talk about drugstore products, drugstore makeup products to be specific, sometimes people are a little, iffy about purchasing drugstore makeup, and I'm one of those people. I'm not even going to front. I'm one of those people, but it depends on what drugstore product you're purchasing. Now, the only drugstore products that I purchase, the concealer that I'm going to show you, the eyeliner that I'm going to show you, and the setting powder that I'm going to talk about. So let me just get right into these 3 products and 3 brands. Now, the first brand that is amazing.com is NYX or NYX Cosmetics, and they have amazing lip liners for a very low cost. I mean, you're not going to spend so much money buying these lip liners, and you do get them at a very cheap price versus what you would get at MAC. And I think their lip liners retail for $5 maybe or below. It's not a lot of money. Another thing that I purchased from NYX that I love, well, I stopped using this product because I found a better product that I use, but nonetheless, the product is amazing. This is their translucent powder, and it's in the shade Banana, that one that I used to use. It used to give me amazing results. My face never used to crease. It never used to cake up every time I set my highlighting concealer. Now, I stopped using that product because I started using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's obviously a high-end brand and high-end product compared to the NYX setting powder. Yeah, so that's that. I love their lip liners. I used to love their setting powders. And I think that's what I have used from NYX in the past. So that's that. And then another drugstore product that I love using is the e.l.f. eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. I have used this liner for Lord knows how long, for forever, ever since I started doing makeup. This has been my go-to eyeliner. It just gives me that crisp and quality looking eyeliner every time I apply and use it. It's just a good product for just $3. I think that liner is $3, so yay. The next brand is LA Girl. Now, I don't know if this is a drugstore product. I mean, prices are definitely drugstore, but I don't know if I've seen their products at a drugstore before. I don't know. Usually you get their concealers, which I use. That's the only product that I use from LA Girl. I get them from Ulta or Sephora. I've never seen them at CVS or Target, but I've never tried to go looking for them, so I don't really know. But yeah, the concealers that I use the setting. This is my highlighting concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. I really love this concealer. It feels like a high-end product for low-end coin. It's really cheap for the quality that you get, and a little goes a long way. They retail for about $2, and you can stock up a whole bunch of these amazing and flawless results that you can achieve from this product. I also use their correcting concealer. This is the red corrector, and I use this once in a while. I don't use it as much nowadays because my blackheads are starting to fade out, which is cool, so I don't have to use this a lot, but when I used it, it did an amazing job. And I think that's it that I use from LA Girl. I don't really try to branch out and use their foundations. I don't even know if they have foundations, but I just use their concealers because they do an amazing job. And yeah, you guys should check them out. They're really good, and a lot of people on YouTube here use them a lot. That's how I actually found out about this specific brand, through YouTube, because a lot of girls use this concealer to highlight, so I decided to check it out many months ago, and ever since then, love it. And that's it, you guys. Check out these 3 brands. Try these products that I showed you. Let me know down below what you think. I would love to hear your thoughts. I know my sister does react from the e.l.f. eyeliner. I don't know why she reacts from it, but she gets an allergic reaction every time she uses it, so it's probably an active ingredient in there that you know, messes with her skin. But other than that, I've always had good results from this liner. Let me know down below what you guys think about these 3 brands, if you're using them, if you've never used them and planning to, if this video is kind of giving you some clarity about questions that you had. Just let me know down below, and I'm happy to answer any questions that I wasn't able to touch on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.